And now the forecast.
The current time is 8:19 p.m. Eastern Standard Time.
This is NOAA Weather Radio, all hazards, WNG588, broadcasting from the National Weather Service office in Blacksburg, Virginia, and transmitting on a frequency of 162.500 megahertz from an antenna located on the State Communications Tower on Mount Jefferson in Ashe County, North Carolina. Here are some 8 p.m. observations from around the area. At the Ashe County Jefferson Airport, skies were clear. The temperature was 23 degrees. The dew point was 12, and the relative humidity 62%. The wind was northwest at 5 miles an hour. The pressure was 30.34 inches and steady. In Boone, skies were clear. The temperature was 23 degrees. The dew point was 14, and the relative humidity 68%. The wind was west at 8 miles an hour, producing a wind chill of 14. The pressure was 30.35 inches and steady. In Hickory, skies were clear. The temperature was 37 degrees. The dew point was 14, and the relative humidity 38%. The wind was northeast at 7 miles an hour. The pressure was 30.41 inches and rising. In Wilkesboro, it was 32 degrees with clear skies. In Winston-Salem, the temperature was 36 under clear skies. In Raleigh, it was 36 degrees and partly cloudy. In Charlotte, it was 42 and clear. In Asheville, it was 28 degrees and clear. In Tennessee, Knoxville was 29 degrees and clear. And Bristol was 25 degrees and partly cloudy. In Virginia, at Hillsville, it was 22 degrees and clear. Lonesome Pine was 18 degrees and clear. At Mountain Empire Airport, it was 20 degrees and clear. Roanoke was 27 degrees and clear. In West Virginia, Bluefield was 19 degrees and clear. And now the forecast summary. High pressure will build in with another round of very cold temperatures into the weekend. Our next chance of precipitation will be late on Sunday and Monday as a cold front approaches from the west. Unsettled conditions will then prevail with a chance of precipitation into the middle of next week. Looking back over the past 12 hours, it was generally a quiet morning across the Appalachians and central mid-Atlantic region, with some flurries across the far western slopes and some areas of dense fog across the Piedmont. Abundant sunshine in the afternoon allowed for some snow to melt, while temperatures across the mountains warmed into the lower 30s and into the lower 40s across the Piedmont. Here is a winter weather message for the following county: Wilkes, North Carolina. Winter weather advisory in effect from 9 p.m. this evening to 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time Saturday. The National Weather Service in Blacksburg has issued a winter weather advisory for black ice, which is in effect from 9 p.m. this evening to 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time Saturday. Locations: North Carolina foothills east into north central North Carolina. Hazard types: black ice. Timing: starting around 9 p.m., lasting through Saturday. Impacts: icy surfaces such as roads, sidewalks, driveways, and parking lots. Temperatures: below freezing around 9 p.m., lows around 20, above freezing Saturday afternoon. A winter weather advisory for black ice means that moisture on surfaces is expected to freeze tonight, but still look like it is only wet. This may cause travel difficulties. Be prepared for slippery roads, sidewalks, and parking lots, and use caution while driving. Now for the National Weather Service forecast for the northwest mountains of North Carolina, including Boone, Blowing Rock, Jefferson, Sparta, and in Virginia, Grayson County, including Independence. The rest of tonight, mostly clear until midnight, then becoming mostly cloudy. Lows around 15. North winds around 10 miles an hour until midnight, becoming light and variable. Saturday, mostly cloudy. Highs in the lower 30s. Light and variable winds. Saturday night, mostly cloudy. A slight chance of snow after midnight. Not as cool. Near steady temperature in the upper 20s. Light and variable winds. Chance of snow 20%. Sunday, cloudy. A slight chance of rain, freezing rain, snow, and sleet in the morning, then a chance of rain in the afternoon. Little or no snow accumulation. Not as cool with highs in the lower 40s. Light and variable winds becoming southwest around 10 miles an hour in the afternoon. chance of precipitation 40%. Sunday night, mostly cloudy with a 50% chance of rain. Forecast for the northern foothills of North Carolina, including Wilkesboro. The rest of tonight, mostly clear until midnight, then becoming mostly cloudy. Lows around 20. Light and variable winds. Saturday, mostly cloudy. Highs in the mid-30s. Light and variable winds. Saturday night, mostly cloudy. A slight chance of snow after midnight. Lows in the mid-20s. Light and variable winds. Chance of snow 20%. Sunday, cloudy. A slight chance of rain, freezing rain, snow, and sleet in the morning, then a chance of rain in the afternoon. Little or no snow accumulation. Highs around 40. Light and variable winds. Chance of precipitation 50%. Sunday night, mostly cloudy with a 50% chance of rain. Not a school. Near steady temperature in the upper 30s. Light and variable winds becoming west around 10 miles an hour after midnight. The extended forecast for the northern foothills and mountains of North Carolina. Monday and Monday night, mostly cloudy with a 50% chance of rain. Highs in the upper 40s. Lows in the upper 30s. Tuesday and Tuesday night, rain likely and a chance of freezing rain. Highs in the mid-40s. Lows in the lower 30s. Chance of precipitation 60%. Wednesday and Wednesday night, rain likely. Highs in the upper 50s. Lows in the lower 40s. Chance of rain 70%.